This salad here is so good. It's so good. It's so delicious. It's so good. All right. Let's start with toasting a 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan on medium to high heat. Give a shake and a toss. After a few minutes, they'll be nice and toasted. Just remove them to a bowl so that they can cool down and just set aside. In a sheet pan, place down some parchment paper. We're gonna crisp up our prosciutto di Parma slices that are thinly sliced. Lay them down. I have about 7 slices because I'm definitely gonna eat one of them. And then place in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes, checking often just to see that the color is gonna become much darker. You wanna take them out just before they start to get crispy because as they cool down, they will harden even more. Of course, I'm gonna eat that extra slice. It's so good. These are such a great snack. Crumble the prosciutto into the bowl with the toasted pine nuts, and you can use your hands or you can chop them up with a knife, whatever you prefer to do. Next up, Asian pears, one of my favorite fruits. Some are brown and some are yellow. These pears are shaped like an apple rather than a pear, but these are not a cross between apples and pears. They are firm, crisp, sweet, and juicy, and I mean juicy. We're gonna dice them up, so slice the pear just off center so that the core is left, like so. And then I'm just gonna slice into strips and cut into small chunks. You can cut the pear however you like though, and as big or as small as you like. Once done, just place in the bowl with the toasted pine nuts and the crispy prosciutto. In a large bowl, I have 4 to 5 ounces of washed baby arugula. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, and then just season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Give everything a nice mix to dress the arugula. At this point, you can add the pear, prosciutto, and pine nut mixture, that's a lot of peas, to the arugula and toss everything together. But I'm going for some presentation, so I'm gonna place some arugula down on a plate and then place the triple pea mixture on the bed of arugula. Add a snowfall of Pecorino Romano to taste. Garnish with some prosciutto crudo, that means raw prosciutto, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze to taste. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Light, fresh, crispy, salty, sweet, juicy. This salad has it all. All the ingredients pair perfectly together here, so I hope you give it a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. There's a link for my website as well. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.